Hi, today in front of me Xiaomi 12 Lite, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and then we should scroll to always on display and lock screen section. Here tap to always on display. If you want to change the use your custom item, you should click to this plus. Here we can select the image from our device gallery, previously downloaded photos, for example, or just taken on our device camera. If you want to change the color text here, to change the position of the clocks, you should just switch it here. We can also turn on or turn off the battery status and notifications from different apps. Just when you set your time, select the image, use the colors. So you just should click here to apply. Let's just see another just default themes on our device. You can use the signature, the analog clocks, kaleidoscope, digital clocks, and the themes with the backgrounds. For example, let's use this one. By the same way, we can change here the text color to use the better notifications here. So now let's just tap to apply, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.